Can I stop receiving notifications from a particular person on my Android phone?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to cover a question that comes up quite a bit. Can I stop receiving notifications from a particular person on my Android phone? The answer is yes, you can, and we're going to guide you through the process.
Why would I want to mute notifications?
First, it's important to understand why this might be necessary. We've all been there. A contact sends too many messages, or there are groups that are just too active. It can become overwhelming and distracting. Luckily, Android gives you the ability to control the notifications you receive on a contact-by-contact basis.
How can I mute a contact?
Step 1. Go to the messaging app. This is where all your messages are located. You'll find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Open the chat. Find the person's chat you want to mute. You can do this by scrolling through your chats or using the search function. Step 3. Tap on the contact's name. You'll find this at the top of the screen. This will open the contact's details. Step 4. Find and tap on Notifications. This will typically be under a Settings or Options menu. Depending on your device, you might need to look around a bit. Step 5. Choose your notification preferences. Here, you'll find various options. To stop receiving notifications, turn them off completely. Remember, this process may vary slightly depending on the messaging app you use and the version of Android your phone has. However, the basic principle will be the same.
Can I do this for other apps?
Absolutely. Most social apps like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc., allow you to mute individual contacts. The steps are pretty similar. Go into the chat with the person, find the settings or options, and adjust your notification preferences. In conclusion, while staying connected is great, there are times when we just need a little peace and quiet. Android's customizable notification settings mean you can create the communication environment that suits you best. I hope this guide has been helpful and has made your Android experience just a little bit more enjoyable. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.